Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring you're in the right account and location so you don't delete the wrong item. Use the search bar or the recent filter to find the file quickly. Once found, click it once to highlight it. This gives you access to the file menu. From here, either right-click the file or use the top toolbar to reveal delete options. Doing this first avoids accidental moves and saves time when you proceed to remove the file. Now you act. Choose Remove or Move to Trash/Bin from the context menu or toolbar. Confirm any prompt to complete the move. Make sure you understand ownership. If you don't own a shared file, removal only removes your access, not the original. Once removed, files live in Trash/Bin for 30 days so you can restore them if needed. If the file contains important data, consider making a copy or downloading it before deletion so you can recover content later. Finish by emptying Trash/Bin to permanently delete the file. Remember, this is irreversible. If you prefer a safe approach, wait the 30-day retention window and only empty when sure. If deletion fails, make sure you have permission, that your storage quota isn't blocking changes, and that any desktop sync client isn't conflicting. Pausing sync can help. Once done, you can restore within 30 days from trash or contact the file owner or IT for recovery options if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.